Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make Facebook app silent. Are you tired of Facebook's notifications and want to make it silent? You can easily enable Facebook's quiet mode. Just follow these steps. Open up Facebook app on your mobile and log into your Facebook profile. Click on the menu icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and tap on Settings and Privacy. Select Your Time on Facebook from the menu. Find the section Manage Your Time and tap on See Tools button below. Here you will find Quiet Mode settings. Switch the toggle on next to Quiet Mode and set the time frame for how long it should be turned on. I will just set it to be turned on for 12 hours. Click on Apply button afterwards. From now on, Facebook app will be silent for 12 hours. That's it for this video. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make Facebook app silent. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.